Floradu!
Okay, so this is the, I wouldn't consider it new, but at least like a month or two old, but brand new Kraken Bro V2 headset. And I've actually been really anxious to get this. So let's unbox it together, huh? Oh wow, look at this. Oh boy. Alright, what does that say? Welcome to the cult of Razer. Oh boy. Oh, it's connected by cords, but look at this. And the smell? Ah, it smells like chemical plastic. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh, look at the cushions. Cushion. Alright, I unboxed the headphones. They're laying right here. This is the microphone. You can bend it and put the slide right back in when you're not using it. Very nice. Very nice. What's this? Step 1. With your headset on, place your right fist here. Step 2. You are now part of the PewDiePie Razer army and will enjoy 0 deaths. Step 3. There is no step 3. You're already an awesome broccoli. I will do that later. Right after. And it also came with this. These cool stickers. There's a Razer sticker and a PewDiePie sticker. I'll figure out something to put those on. Let's take a finer look at the headset itself. I already mentioned the cushiony cushions. And look at this, the design on the top right here. Razer. Yeah, boy. Reminds me of a couch. That means it's quality leather though, a leather couch. Man, I mean it has Pewds right there. And then the symbol on both sides. I'm going to use this immediately. Thank you for your time. Squad fam out. Squad fam out. Yeah. Squad fam out.
Oh my god, this is what I did!